Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the hair I'll be rocking today is the product Neo from Lordhair in color number 22. If you're looking to experiment with some fun hair color 22 is the best choice because this bleached shade can easily take any color you want to try. The Neo product is the hybrid hair system featuring lace at the front and the center for a natural looking hairline combined with a poly base around the sides for added durability. I really like this one because it provides a realistic appearance but also easy to tape and wash. Alright, today I'm going for a dark gray color and here's the box that I'll be using today. First off, I did some dark roots off the camera. If you like to see how I did it, you can check out my very first video on my YouTube channel, but that's totally optional. You can just simply apply the hair dye directly on the hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so after about 30 minutes, you can just rinse off the hair with the water. And then I just dried hair off the camera and applied the tapes around the hair system on the polished skin part. And locate where your hairline starts, usually is around 4 fingers above your eyebrows, and then press the hair system onto your head. And for the lace part where I did not apply the tapes, I usually spray toupee hairspray and then let it dry for about 10 to 15 seconds. After it's completely dry, I just gently press down the lace onto my forehead where I applied the toupee hairspray, and this is sufficient for daily wear. And afterwards, I just wet my hair again, and you can style the hair however you like it. And this is the final result. I really like this A-shape hairline, which adds a little bit natural, authentic look, and I also really like the subtle gray shades. It's very cool, but not too much.